Siyempre, trabaho. Yun yung unang may mindset namin. Tatrabahoin natin ang PNP for assurance sa semifinals. So, number one talaga is mag-teamwork muna yung team back to training kasi hindi pa naman tapos yung elimination. Sobrang, I think, 6 na teams yung nagtatalis. So, hindi pa tapos. It's very one thing.
For Dan and Bea, at this point, ba can you say na Creamline really feels like a new home now for you? You're like fully settled in the new environment, the new culture, the new everything.
Yes. No, really, it does really feel like home. Pagtapak ko lang dun sa training din. Parang pinapihal nila na welcome ako sa team. I think the coaches, my teammates, and the management that, you know, it made it feel like I'm part of the family, even if I was from Toronto. I know the optics wasn't, you know, really good. That's why I think I'm here in this interview. But yeah, one big happy family. Super grateful.
Yes, sobrang at peace ko sa kung nasan ako ngayon. Not a day goes by na hindi ako thankful sa mga kasama ko, sa mga coaches ko na binigyan pa ako ng isa pang chance na mahanap ulit yung sarili ko. And isa pong karakalan ko talaga na nandito kami ngayon. And I'm just so thankful to all of them, to Atelay, to Coach Sherwin na nagtiwala rin po sa akin. So yeah, my heart's at peace.
Yes, amen.
Amen.
Sure. May isa pang game para ma-assure namin yung slot sa semifinals. Katrabaho mo na.
Thank you, Coach. And for Atelay, what are your thoughts on this one, especially sa blocking department? Meron namin naging blocks ng game like this.
For the first time. We're very glad that slowly our training has been really showing in the game. So we're really happy na lumalabas. But sabi nga ni Coach, this way we'll take it today, tomorrow is another day. The job is not done yet, and it's gonna be a long eliminations pa. Kahit one game na lang natitira sa amin, hindi nagiging madali. But yun, you know, I'm very proud of the girls and the coaching staff. I have to commend the coaching staff din talaga. They're very patient na ituro sa amin at i-remind sa amin kung ano yung kailangan namin gawin. And yun, sana nagagawa niya ko. So, yun. It's the coaches talaga. Thank you, coaches.
And for them, this is your first time facing
Oh my God!
and this all Filipino conference. How does it
Si
feel?
Bea rin naman, so sasagutin si Bea.
Later si Bea. But you first, personally, how do you feel being able to get this win against your former?
I'm very happy that we got this win today. Very crucial win for us, especially going into the semis. This win boosts our chances and at the same time yung momentum namin moving forward.
Thank you. And for Bea, best player of the game against your former team. How does it feel to be able to get this win and also be the best player of the game?
Well, again, sobrang happy namin na nakuha namin to. Sobrang big niya for us, as you guys know. And yun, sobrang thankful ko lang na nandito kami sa point na to na nakuha namin yung manalo. And talagang sama-sama namin ginawa ng trabaho namin. Lalo na sa ginagalaw din talaga ng Choco. We saw naman how their conference has been. Talagang nag-push rin talaga. So, just yun, sobrang blessed lang talaga. It's so
Yes. No, really, it does really feel like home. Pagtapak ko lang sa training din. Parang pinapihal nila na welcome ako sa team. I think the coaches, my teammates, and the management that, you know, they made it feel like I'm part of the family, even if I was from Toronto. One big happy family. Super grateful.
Yes, sobrang at peace ko sa kung nasan ako ngayon. not a day goes by na hindi ako thankful sa mga kasama ko, sa mga coaches ko na binigyan pa ako ng isa pang chance na mahanap ulit yung sarili ko. And isa pong karangalan po talaga na nandito po kami ngayon. And I'm just so thankful to all of them, to Nilay, to Coach Sherwin na nagtiwala rin po sa akin. So yeah, my heart is at peace.
Yes, amen.
Amen.
Sila na naman.
Sobrang blessing. Hindi ko akalain na dadating ako sa point na career ko na to na nandito ako. From a kid na super scrawny and who didn't even know how to play quick. I mean, they saw me. I didn't even know half the rules. Pero yun, kasama ko sila ngayon. Pareho kami lumalaban. Team to tulad talaga.
Sige, pre!
Confidence ko, galing sa kanila, galing sa coaches ko. And of course, as crucial naman this match is, tell me how it felt like going up against your team with Choco Mincho Prime Titans.
At some point talagang kinakabahan rin talaga ako, pero nag-pray talaga ako kay Lord na ma-handle ko siya na maayos and to give me the grace to be able to handle this well. So yun, nagpapasalamat lang rin talaga ako na nandito tayo sa point na to ngayon.
Service.